Right now, thousands of creators are generating mind-blowing AI videos and making absolutely zero money from them. They build something that looks incredible, post it online, maybe get a few likes, and that's it. Because here's the truth, the AI video space is exploding, but most creators are leaving serious money on the table because they don't know how to package their work. In this video, I'm going to show you a much smarter workflow. I'll show you how to take a simple AI-generated video and turn it into a complete, high-converting website for a real business or brand, the kind of deliverable you can confidently charge $1,000 or more for. We're not just making cool videos today, we're building premium digital assets. Let's get into it. For this demo, I'm building a full brand concept for a fictional luxury perfume company called Noir Essence. The goal is simple: produce visuals that look like a $10,000 studio shoot using nothing but free and low-cost AI tools. The platform I'm using is Google Flow. The good news is you can use a significant portion of it for free. Both Nano Banana 2 and Nano Banana Pro are available on the free plan. Video generation does have some limits on free, but for image generation, you're completely unlimited. So the first thing you do is create a new project. Nano Banana 2 is auto-selected by default. You also have the option to use Nano Banana Pro or even Imagen 4. Google gives you access to all three models in one place. I'll be going with Pro because we're targeting cinematic quality. Nano Banana 2 is fast and excellent for things like infographics, but Pro gives you that extra depth and atmosphere for a luxury look. Set your aspect ratio to 16:9 for the web, and you can generate up to 4 images at a time on the free plan. Here's the prompt I used. You can pause and copy it. The idea is a dark glass bottle, moody studio lighting, a single gold rim light, fresh crimson rose petals, and soft wisps of smoke. Since image generation is unlimited, I went ahead and generated several variations to find the perfect one. And honestly, this is the one that stood out. Classic-shaped bottle, a light wisp of smoke rising from the surface, fresh rose petals scattered around the base, extremely premium. I'm going to download it. One bonus step worth noting: if you wanted to extract the brand logo from the bottle for use elsewhere on your website, you can simply prompt Nano Banana, "Give me that brand logo for my website," and it'll generate standalone logo options for you in seconds. That's free branding, straight from your product visual in seconds. Now we move into video generation, and here's the most important technical step. We need this video to loop seamlessly. To achieve that, upload the same image as both the start frame and the end frame. When the first and last frame are identical, the video interpolates between them and naturally returns to where it started, giving you a clean, invisible loop. I'll be using the same Noir Essence image in both slots. For the prompt, I'm specifying a slow 360-degree orbit around the bottle, fresh crimson rose petals drifting through the frame, soft rising smoke, and an overall ultra-premium fashion campaign feel. After generating a few versions, this is the one I chose. You can see the rose petals falling beautifully, the smoke drifting across the frame. It just feels expensive. This is the video we're building the rest of the project around. Now here is where most creators stop. They export the MP4, maybe post it to Instagram, get a few views, and that's the end of the story. But an isolated video file is not a finished deliverable. It has no context. It has no call to action. A business can't do anything with it on its own. That's the shift I want you to make. Instead of selling a video file, sell a complete landing page. When you deliver a ready-to-use website with the video built into it, you can charge 3 times more because now you're solving a real business problem. The website gives the video context. The video makes the website feel alive. Together, they become something a brand will actually pay for. To build the site, I'm using Readdy AI. This is genuinely one of the most impressive AI website builders I've tested. It's not giving you generic one-size-fits-all layouts. It's a proper AI agent that builds premium, bespoke websites based on exactly what you describe, and it does it really fast. When you log in, the interface is clean and straightforward. There's a prompt box in the center, and you have several options: start from scratch, import an existing website to modify, even generate from a business card. You can also specify web or mobile,
upload a logo, or start from one of their premium templates if you need a jumping-off point. I'm starting from scratch with a detailed prompt. Luxury theme, black and off-white only, a full viewport hero section, a features section, a quotes section, and a clean footer. Ready AI asks a couple of follow-up questions to confirm the sections. I click through and let it run. Once it's done, roughly a minute to a minute and a half, the full site is live in preview. Editing is flexible. You can either work conversationally by telling the agent exactly what to change, or simply double-click directly on any element to edit it in line. Want to tweak a headline, swap a font, or rewrite a tagline? Just click it and change it. I spent a few minutes refining the typography and a few small layout details before moving on to the next step. Now for the key step, adding our video to the hero section. First, head to Vimeo or cloudinary.com and create a free account. Go to the video section and upload your file. Once uploaded, click on the video and open Player Controls. Enable three things: Start Autoplay, Start Muted, and Loop Video. Turn off the visible player controls so nothing interrupts the experience. Then hit Save Settings. Now click Share, go to the Embed option, and copy that direct link. Go back to Ready AI and give it one focused prompt. Paste the video link, tell it to use this as the hero background with a semi-transparent dark overlay at around 40 to 45% opacity, so the headline and CTA remain clearly readable. That's it. I also made a few final adjustments, removed the default logo, dialed back the overlay opacity slightly, and added 3 additional fragrance products to the page by simply prompting Ready AI to add 3 dark luxury fragrances. It generated them on the spot. And when it loads, it just clicks. It goes from being a beautiful AI clip to a full luxury fragrance campaign, a genuinely stunning premium landing page. Consistent branding from the bottle through to the typography on screen, a looping cinematic hero video, a full product section, and a site that any real fragrance brand, skincare line, local boutique, or upscale cafe would be proud to use. This is the real opportunity in the AI space right now.
And this isn't just visually impressive, it's also fully functional. Let me quickly test the email collection feature for you. If I enter an email here, let's say abc@xyz.com, and submit it, you can see the form goes through successfully. Right after submission, we get a confirmation message. Welcome to the darkness. We will be in touch. Now let's check the backend as well. Over here in the Forms section on the left panel, under Noir Essence Newsletter, you can see that the submitted email has been captured successfully. So this isn't just a visual mock-up, it's a working lead collection system that a real brand can actually use.
You could run this exact workflow for a gym, a fashion label, a restaurant, or any local business within your city. The people who win aren't just the ones with the best prompting skills. They're the ones who figure out how to wrap those skills into a deliverable a real business will actually pay for. I've linked Ready AI in the description. Go try this workflow yourself. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments and I'll get back to you. I hope this was genuinely useful. Like the video if it was, and I'll see you in the next one.